Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to duet on TikTok. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm gonna need you to go to your TikTok application, and right here there are a bunch of videos you can duet. So just click on the share icon right here, for example, and swipe left until you see a duet right here. So as you can see, this depends on the uploader of the video if you can duet the video or not. So as you can see right here, duet isn't allowed for this video. Now you want to choose a video that duet is allowed. So let's just search for a video right here that we can duet. So go to videos and just click on the video that you want to duet and click on share and swipe right here. So as you can see, it's not allowed also. Or you can just search for duet like that and click on the video and the share button and slide a little bit further and click on duet right here, and there you have it. It's processing video. Just wait for it to process. It may take a little more time to process the video, and once the video is processed, you can now duet with the video that you have chosen. Just record right here and just click on this check right here to upload. Just click on next, and you can post it to your wall, or you can tag people. You can add a location, and make sure to click I accept music usage confirmation to avoid copyright if you are choosing a duet about a music or a song. So I guess that's it for this video, and if you find this helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe to this channel, and click on that notification bell for more contents like this. Bye!